Gavana James Orengo oyango ni duond buch siasa mar ODM ok bidonjo winjruok kod mano mar Kenya Kwanza. Orengo kwedo pacho gai mar Azimio Raila Odinga mariwore kod jatend piny William Ruto, komedo ni nyaka familia manowito jogi e ng'anyo yud ratichgi, kowacho ni e sani jotelo ok onego pogre lemo e sirikal ka familia mang'eny to nigi lit. Orengo ne loso e kachung' od bura ma Lego Usonga e iko mar Kevin Onyango manowito ngimane e ng'anyo manotimore e kaunti ma Siaya.
The Barrio Council of Elders. County. Mama.
We cannot kill our people. And the time when we are mourning them, we are looking for officers. That cannot happen. We must first deal with injustice before we can deal with questions that arise out of that injustice. So I'm praying that Kenyans will listen to the voices of mothers like Mother Kevin to see that justice is done. And I want to say those who are in a rush to join Ruto, that Ruto is a passing cloud. I am saying that without a fear of contradiction. Because Ruto now has no money. Because he's been borrowing. And the Kenyans have told him, you cannot borrow. Ruto has said no taxation. But he said he is continuing to taxation. And he refused taxation through the finance bill. So he cannot tax Kenyans. Ruto has lost the confidence of the international community. So, where is Ruto going to take us? Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work.